Good evening. Like earlier 3 days, today also we'll see how far our calculations, weekly trend calculations has performed today, which was on the fourth day of the week. Though it has achieved to the maximum, and if you have initiated the trade along with the hedging, you would have pocketed a good amount of profit. However, today's this recording is very important because as I have told you yesterday, there are 5 to 6 counters was having the trend reversal date today. Reliance was having, HDFC Bank was having, TCS was having, and also Nifty and Bank Nifty. So 5 counters was having the trend reversal date today, 20th December, and this calculation we have done on the 30th November for the month of December 2018. Regarding this also, I have released 2 videos in our website, and we are just validating the facts, whatever the calculations we have done, whether it is working or not. And to remind you again, I will just request you view this video till the end and also accept the fact any study in the market is not 100% correct. No study or no analysis is 100% accurate. So as I used to say, this time study is accurate to the extent of 60 to 70%. Trend reversal means I am expecting on the previous day on 19th, if it has closed positive, then 20th either it should open negative or close negative. So this is my assumption. If 19th the counter has closed positive, then 20th I'll be expecting the counter to be opening with negative bias or closing with the negative. So this is very gap down opening or closing itself will be negative. This is our expectation. So 19th towards the end of our trading cycle, we must initiate some trade to take benefit out of this trend reversal date. I have also taken one trade to demonstrate this particular thing. If you can see, this is the trade contract note of mine. So here you can find it out that the I have just taken 19th this particular option 11,000 put option bought at 95, and today it is being sold at 140. So this is the view trend reversal date I was expecting. So with this view only I have initiated this particular trade. This is also one of the trade evidence is there. Many other evidences are also there. Just to simplify it, I have just shown you one record. Many other trades also I have taken. So I just blur it off and just shown you one trade based on this trend reversal date it is being taken. So this trend reversal date, how far it has come true? So if you just go for the NSE site and verify those facts, you can say I am starting from the Tata TCS. So if I just look into these parameters, 18th 1987, 19th 1968. So it is a negative closing. So I was expecting today it should open positive and close positive, any one thing, but this failed. TCS failed. TCS could not, though it has opened negative, gone little high, however closing was negative. So TCS has failed and didn't deliver as per our trend reversal date. So going back to the Reliance Industries, we are having the trend reversal date today. So as per this report, Reliance Industries was having 20th December as one of the trend reversal date. So if I just go to the historic data and introspect on this, whether it has worked or not. So Reliance Industries. So here 19th, if I just compare this 19th closing prices, slightly I was positive, and also 19th I was just 20 paisa, it was a neutral day. You can say it has just made a low, and towards the end also the LTP was 134.80. In fact, I can say it was a slight positive day because maintained positivity throughout the day. Towards the end, there was a small correction. So it was a positive day on 19th December, and 20th, what we will be expecting? One negative. So it has opened gap down. So 37 to 21, 15, 16 point below it has opened up and made a high also 32, but low has 1116 low, it has gone negative, closing also expected. So as per the trend reversal date, Reliance Industries has worked. Now coming to the HDFC Bank, this too also was having HDFC Bank. This is also was having one trend reversal date today. So this also will verify whether this trend reversal date of HDFC Bank, what we have calculated, whether it has worked or not. So I am taking the historic data from the NSE, from the authentic source. So 18th it has closed at 2135. 19th is a negative closing, 2123.45. So it is a negative closing on the 19th. So I will be expecting on 20th the trend reversal. It should be a positive opening and positive closing. So opened negative. However, it has gone to a high of 2140 and closed positive 2138. So though opened low and made a low, however closing was positive for this thing. Trend reversal has worked for the HDFC Bank on 20th. So this is for the HDFC Bank. Three counters we have seen. So out of this, Reliance worked for us, HDFC Bank worked for us, TCS didn't work for us, and remaining two things, Nifty and Bank Nifty, this is well evident today. So both of them was having a positive closing on 19th. So 20th there is a gap down opening, and throughout the day it has maintained a negativeness, and towards the closing only it has closed just at a neutral point. However, it was an entire negative day for Nifty and Bank Nifty. And I have also demonstrated one of the trade. So 19th, having a view on 20th that the trend will be opposite of 19th. So I have shown you one trade, how it is being taken and how it is being executed. So all these things is not the only one evidence. This particular study is being presented before you from the month of July, till date, and you can cross verify all those things. And this time I am just, as and when that event happens, I'm just addressing in one video. So if you just visit to our website smartfinancing.com, and seminar link bottom part itself we have given. So trend reversal date. So trend reversal date. So all this trend reversal date videos we have flagged here for the month of December, month of November, month of August. So all videos we have flagged here. So you can just look into this particular URL also. So here, using this particular URL also, you can access and see how far this trend reversal date calculations are true. Now coming to the trend calculation, weekly trend calculation, what we did and how far it has performed. So past 3 days I have shown you very close approximate levels we have achieved on daily basis. Day 1, day 2 and day 3 very closely the calculated figures and the market happenings was having a very close resemblance. So exact couple of times it has achieved exactly, and couple of times it has just gone to the very nearest value. So today also we'll just verify what happened. So I'm just going in front of you only, I'm just taking this data. So this is the Nifty. There was a gap down opening 10,905, high 10,991, and low 10,891. So 10,891 was the low, 10,891. So from here the reversal has started. So 0.382 retracement was a strong support. So from just before that itself you have started a reversal, and 10,999 it has gone. So then there was a retracement. So 10,986 or 85 level it has closed. So it was just way above your third target you have closed for the day, and the one more day remaining for you for this week. For this week, one more trading day is still remaining. So tomorrow only we will come to know where we are settling in the Nifty. So now coming to the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, yesterday you have seen there was a very close proximity level you have achieved, and today let us see what level it has given. So these are the calculations we have done on the 15th of December, and every day basis we are just validating how far these calculations are true. Today's low 27,155, high was 27,371. So let us compare these two values with the weekly calculations. So if I just take these two values and compare it with the weekly calculations. So this is what the calculations was there, 27,155. From there you had a reversal. So you can say very close, near to 10 to 15 point above 0.618 retracement level. There is a reversal happened, 10,370, sorry, 27,155 was the day's low, 27,371 was the day's high. So if you just compare 155 level, you had a trend reversal. So you have achieved till 1.236 yesterday, 24,419.55. Just this level you have achieved yesterday. So historic data also we can verify. So we can verify yesterday 425, 27,425 you have achieved, and our calculation was 27,420, just 4 to 5 point above you have gone. Today also reversal is happening, 27,155 level. So 10 to 11 points above this the reversal is happening, and 27,378 level you are going, and you are settling near to that level. So this close proximity of the reversals also gives you an evidence that yes, that these calculations are well accepted by the market. And since you have this deviations is also a genuine deviation, because this calculation is being done on 15th December. Today we are on the 20th December. Still the calculations what we have done, it is slightly deviated by few points, and after Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 3 days after inlining with the calculation, today there is a small deviation is there. One more day of trading day is there. Let us see what happens tomorrow. And trend reversal date calculated as per the Gann's concept. I have just shown you Reliance, HDFC Bank, and Nifty and Bank Nifty. 4 counters has accepted this trend reversal date of the today. However, TCS has not accepted the trend reversal date today. So our commitment towards a 60 to 70% of accuracy has well validated here. So to work on this trend reversal date, before before that trend reversal date comes into the effect, you need to take a action. So I have also yesterday shown that Sun Pharmaceuticals trend reversal day also well validated. So if you wish to win the trade, three parts is essential. One, good trend forecast method, trend reversal method calculations, and a simple hedging. Simple hedging. These three things is very, very important for your trade decisions. If you want to own this particular Gann's time analysis software, it costs you 2,500, and the one standard deviation software by using which we are just calculating these weekly levels, that software comes with one price tag of 5,900 including GST. So do visit our website smartfinancein.com. In the product segment, you will get the detail about the one standard deviation product as well as the Gann software. So if you think these calculations which is being presented before you through this common public channel is true, then adopt this particular concept in your trade decision process. And it is not only the voice of ours, the voice of people also very, very important here. How the trader feel about this particular software, how the traders used to value this particular concept, that is well mentioned in our Facebook channel, well mentioned in the WhatsApp groups where our buyers are there. If you just visit our Facebook page, you'll find out that many people, those who are from the past many years, have given their view. So here 1SD calculation is very successful and truly happening. And here also weekly trend. So here many people have given, it is a good method of predicting weekly trend. Many people have given the view from the past 2016 onwards. Here too also the traders, those who have bought our product, we used to put them into a WhatsApp group. So here too also they interact with us, and they also say that how these concepts are working. Here one of the trader is telling that he has the pair trade concept, he made a good profit. And also some traders have told that here too also one of the buyer is interacting, and he is telling that Gann trend reversal forecast for today seems true. Today both and Bank Nifty and Nifty open gap down. So these are the evidences of this particular methods to work, and these are not any hidden techniques. These techniques are the simple mathematical techniques, and just few hours of practice you can able to calculate these levels. However, the same calculations with slight bit of refining we have programmed in our software tools. If you do not want to do the calculation, then you can just adopt the software, and software does the calculation for you. And it also refines many things. While you will be doing the calculation, there is a chance of error. You may miss something, you may do some calculative errors. However, if it is programmed, it may not do that error. So if you are thinking that yes, some valid method of trend forecast and time analysis I should adopt in my decision process, please adopt this particular softwares in your decision process. Thank you very much. Tomorrow again I will be meeting with next week's trend forecast. Along with that, how we have closed this week at what level, to explain about this particular report. Thank you very much.